Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to Busan, Republic of Korea. Unrelated Japanese who shouldn't be allowed to be here. Akiyama Hayato. A queen herself who knew songs or such flop pages. And me. Queen and ace of South Korean variety show. Song Ji-hyo. Will present you the show at here, Busan.
First of all, I have to thank Miss Song for help me to get in South Korea even there is a big strike with Japanese government here. As I always tell you, Japanese love South Korean and always love you.
Saban. Let's start our job. As we already revealed before, Irish Katie Kim will represent the Republic of Ireland in Belarus and we will search for the best out of her songs to be our choice. Tonight, Katie will perform 7 songs of her and then international juries will help us find the best anthem. Televoters suck as they ruined Queen Tamara Todevska, Katerine Duska and Jessica Mawboy's perfect jury scores, so Mr. Kasumatsu decided to not use them.
Okay, that's enough. As a South Korean famous variety show queen, I would like to be the voices of TOSC fans from South Korea. We here love TOSC and it would be nice if we will be invited like Australia in Eurovision. So we can see the group of talents Luna and of course Queen herself, Cha to represent us in TOSC stage. Time is up, so let the show start.